Eagle. Who remember my Bottega Veneta video? I said about the company Eagle. Eagle is quite cheap boots, but you can find so many nice trendy boots and handbags. They are very similar to those expensive ones. I think that those summer boots, look at that heel. Do you know that I think that the heel is like Tom Ford heels, because the heels and boots of Tom Ford is very similar to this one. I've got UK 6 size and I decided to try something like that for summer. They will be long and I hope they will fit me. I like the square nose, yeah, and I like that they are braided and they are black, so the Eagle is good there. Of course, made in China. Show of boots. There is a name of these boots, just black, UK 6. Molly Me. This brand you can also find on ASOS, because sometimes on ASOS there is cheaper price than Eagle website, or sometimes Eagle website have cheaper than ASOS. Did I say that good? Never mind. Sometimes it's cheaper on ASOS or Eagle. So always good to check both websites, and I'm always looking for the best price. Okay, so I hope it will be easy to wear them. Okay, come on, the paper. So with the summer dress like this one from H&M, it's nice to get boots like that, I promise you. So the whole outfit I will show you in a minute. For now we have to wear the boots. So many papers. So as you can see, the laces are very long, and I hope it will be easy. So this is the boots, sandals, heels, whatever. It wasn't easy. It's took a little bit time to put them, and I know that the right side isn't perfect. My fingers is going out. Come on, come back. And they are very uncomfortable, really. So I don't know. Let me guys know what do you think about this. So this is full outfit with this boots, and doesn't look good. This is really annoying. I don't like them. This is my opinion. I don't like them, and I don't feel that it is nice, something worth it to buy. Oh, so sorry Ego, but these boots I have to send back. I really don't like them and they are very unstable. I can't imagine, really I can't imagine walk in them anywhere. In the shop or maybe seafront, maybe park. No. The heel is nice, but overall this is something very bad. I do not recommend. Okay, so this is the quick review of the Ego. One big no. No. And I hope the next one would, because I've got 3 left, yeah, would be better. So see you soon in the next unboxing.